Hey guys, so this is going to be a what's on my iPhone video. I recently got the 7, so I went from a 5S to a 7, which was a pretty big jump, and I was really excited about it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below, and also make sure to click the bell so you can turn on notifications so you don't miss one of my videos. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So when you first see my lock screen, I just have a picture of my dog Maggie. She's really cute, and then the background for my home screen is just a picture of a sunset. So the first row is calendar, photos, Safari, and phone. Those are just my most standard Apple apps that I use. So the first folder is social. Everyone told me to get Bitmoji, so I would have a Bitmoji. I finally created one, and then no one even complimented my Bitmoji. Like, come on guys. I'm just teasing, but yeah, I have that app. I have WhatsApp because that's how I contact one of my friends. I have Wanelo. It stands for Want, Need, and Love. So you guys want to check me out there. I'll have my username on the screen. It's Cookie05 currently, but I'm probably going to try to change it before I upload this video because I think that's a really pathetic username. But you guys can check me out there. Twitter is Chloe_YT if you guys want to follow me. I actually need to go change my border because it's still Christmas themed, but I just post updates on like when I post a video or when I post a blog post, different things like that, so you guys can go check me out there if you guys would like to. Again, it's Chloe_YT. I also have Weebly if you guys want to check out my blog. It's rcjesuslove.weebly.com. You guys can check that out in the description box below. I have it linked there. Blog11 is just a blog app. I don't use it to write blog posts, but sometimes I do like to check out people's blog posts and just read them. Preview is really great if you're wanting to get a super good looking Instagram feed. I'm kind of trying to work on mine right now. I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want you guys to see it yet because I've not posted all the pictures that are in this app, but it helps you to schedule posts and then also just again see what your Instagram feed looks like before you actually post the picture. WeHeart is a pretty good app. I don't use it a lot, but I do like to find pictures like for inspiration or backgrounds from my phone, different things like that, so that's kind of why I use that app. And then I have YouTube, of course, so you guys can go check me out there. Really quick though, I just have to say, go follow Jess and Gabriel Conti. They have their own channels as well as a channel together. They're a really amazing couple, and I'm obsessed with watching their videos, so go check them out. But this is just my channel. I actually just got done doing the minimalism challenge, so you guys can go check that out if you would like to. I think it was a really fun challenge and it was really great, so go check that if you guys want to do that. YouTube Studio is really great for YouTubers so you guys can see your analytics and all that without having to get on your computer. FameBit is a sponsorship type of app for YouTubers as well, but you have to have 10,000 subscribers, so I hope to use that app soon. And then also AdSense is just for the monetization of my videos. The next folder is photo/video, but I have a camera separating the two. I have Pic Collage, which is just a collage app, Font Candy, which simple as it says, it's got really cool fonts and stuff on it that you can put on your pictures. Photo Candy is similar to the same as Font Candy, but kind of different in a way. Free Prints, I'm able to get 85 free photos a month. I just have to pay for the shipping of the photos. So they get shipped right to my house. I can choose them off my phone, off Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and it's just really great so I can print pictures and not have to go to a photo printing store. And then I also have Photoshop Express. I don't use this that often, but there is a really cool filter where you can make a picture black and white and then you can add pops of color. So I did that with one of the pictures of me and my friends and it just looked really cool. So that's kind of why I use that. I have Canva, which I use for my business every so often. I will get more on that later. And then I also have Photo Mirror, which I just kind of use every so often because I think it looks cool to mirror some images. And then Square Ready for the white border around your pictures. That used to be a really big thing on Instagram and then it kind of wasn't anymore, but I still like to use it every so often. And then I also have Enhance, which I've actually not used this, but it's supposed to have royalty-free images for your social media and stuff, so I will probably use that at some point in time. I have PicMonkey, which is basically what everyone uses for their thumbnails, only it's picmonkey.com on your computer, but this I just like to use for social media pictures every so often. Canon Camera Connect is so I can take pictures off my camera or videos and put them onto my phone, and I can also use this as a remote as well, so I can use my phone as a remote to take a picture on my camera. I also have iMovie and Netflix. I also have a folder titled God's Girl. So this is one of my favorite folders on my phone. I have the Blue Letter Bible, which is just kind of a more in-depth Bible. It has commentaries and stuff like that on it. New Spring Church, it's the New Spring app, but it's New Spring Church. I don't know where they're located, but they just have really great videos and stuff on their app, so I like to keep that on here. Plugged In is just great if you guys want to see reviews on music, movies, and books. So Right Now Media is something that I have through my church. It's really great. It has tons and tons of video devotionals and just videos on it. I really like it. So the YouVersion Bible app is one that I have used for a very long time. There's devotional plans on here. I have over 100 devotional plans saved. You can highlight verses. You can also get notifications for the verse of the day. The She Reads Truth app is just a really great devotional app. It also has a Bible in it as well. I also have the She Reads Truth Bible, so I really like She Reads Truth. They're a really great company, I guess you would say. The first 5, I think, is by Lisa Turkers. It's a really, really great app. It just has devotionals and stuff on it. So the first app I have in my lifestyle folder is Wanelo. It just really helps me to keep all of my lists together, like grocery lists or maybe like a workout list of like different workouts I need to do or want to do, different things like that. I have a student app, it's for school. I have Gmail, obviously it's for my email. I have a countdown app. I just like to count down to things, so right now I'm counting down to my birthday. And then I have Brit & Co, which is kind of just a fun little like app. I don't even know what to really call it, but they just have different posts and stuff on different things. So as you can see, there's a lot of different categories. There's DIY, style, living, food, and a lot more. So I just like to use that every so often for inspiration and whatnot. I have my notes app, of course. Time Glass is really cool because it lets you create a set of timers, or just one timer even. You can set a timer for pretty much anything. Google Calendar, I like it a little bit more than my actual calendar on my phone, so I have that. Wonderground, I recommend this app if you want to know the weather or anything. It's a really, really great weather app, so definitely recommend that. On my second page though of the lifestyle folder, I have news, reminders, and dictionary. On the bottom row, I have Snapchat, messages, Instagram, and Pinterest. So on Instagram, you guys can check me out there. This is my feed right now. I need to go through and delete the rest of my older photos, but this is kind of like my newer feed right here, and I'm kind of starting to like it. So there is that. You guys can check me out there. Again, it's Chloe the _YT. And then on Pinterest, you guys can check me out there as well. It is also Chloe the _YT, and I just have a lot of different boards and stuff. Second page on my phone has 8 more folders. So I have food, which has Food Network in the kitchen, and Food Network, basically just recipes and TV shows. My next folder is shopping, so I have Kohl's, Hollister, eBay, Amazon, a QR code reader so it just can scan things. I like to use this to scan UPCs to see where I can find things cheaper, or if I can find things somewhere else cheaper. I have American Eagle, Domino's, Target, Chick-fil-A, Taco John's Rewards, and Urban Outfitters. I also have a music folder which has Spotify. You guys can check me out there. I'll have my username on the screen. But anyway, I have that. I have Tone Break, which is just a pedal effects app for electric guitar and whatnot. I have Playing Center Online, which I use, Bands in Town, which is just great to see concerts nearby and things like that. I have Pandora, which is also really great. I have music. I have like over 3,000 songs on my phone, so I use my music a lot. I love music so much. I have Capo, which is just really great if you want to learn a song. Podcast is really great. Obviously, it's a standard app on an iPhone. And then I also have Pulse, which is a metronome. And then anyway, there's Genius, which is a really great and trustworthy app when it comes to lyrics. It also gives you kind of some behind the scenes of the lyrics or of that song, which is really great too. My next folder is deals, so I have Coupon Cabin, Retail Me Not, Ebates, Shopkick, and Retail. Coupon Cabin is self-explanatory. Retail Me Not is really great. They actually have relevant coupons that you can use. Ebates is really great as well. You can earn a % cash back of certain purchases. So there are a lot of different stores that are giving cash back right now if you are ordering online. Right now, American Eagle Outfitters is offering 2.5% cash back, or American Apparel is offering 4% cash back. Amazon is up to 3% cash back. So I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you are either ordering something big, or even if you're not, a little bit is still something that you're getting back. If you're going to be ordering it anyway, you might as well. So you can download this. I'll also have my referral link down below, so you guys can check that out. Click on it, and you guys can start earning cash back. It's a really great app. Again, I really like it, and I would not recommend something to you guys that I don't use myself and love. So my other app I want to talk about is Shopkick. You basically can earn kicks for going into stores, scanning products, and also submitting receipts. My health folder has Nike Training Club, Strive, 8Fit, Fujiki, and yoga. Strive is really great. There's some great 20 to 30 minute workouts on there that are seriously actually really hard. So I like that app if I'm wanting to really have a great workout. 8Fit is also really great if you're wanting a more simple HIIT workout. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. This is kind of what a sample one looks like. So I like that. And then Fujiki is also really great if you're wanting to find healthier foods. And you can also track your calories on here as well. But if you go under the food finder, you can type in a food, and I'm just gonna type in cereal. You can click on it and it'll say like, it'll give it like a grade. So it says B+, and you can click on Y, and then it tells you why it's rated B+ and not like an A. So what's really great is you can go to Health Tracker and then click on the little circle there, and you can see your calories, food points, your average food grade. So I just kind of like that just to see what I'm eating and if I'm eating healthy or not. My next folder is travel, so I have Gas Buddy, which is just really helpful to find cheap gas prices, and then I also have my maps. And the last folder on my phone is just extras, so all of those standard Apple apps that no one uses. So that is everything for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what's on my iPhone, and hopefully it gave you guys some ideas of what apps I like to use on my iPhone and what apps I think you guys should get. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and turn on the notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!